PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia is a company in the production of wiring harnesses that connect a car's various devices and convey power and signals to every corner of the vehicle. Poly Batam organizes a vocational education using a learning system that is implemented through the problem, project, and product-based learning method in direct partnership with industry and government institutions. Technopreneur Center building is one of the workspaces for students to work on their projects, especially project-based learning that cooperates with industries. PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia cooperates with Poly Batam in making innovations to support company performances. With a total of 8 products prepared by Poly Batam, 6 products legally given to PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia on Friday, September 9, 2022 at the Technopreneur Center building. The 6 products are: First, Building Augmented Reality Learning Assembly is a mobile application with augmented reality technology for training of new employees about material introduction and process introduction in assembly. Second, Sumitomo Lifter Machine is a product to lift the load of cables that have been finished in production and also to avoid injury to the waist. Third, Occupational Health and Safety Animation Video is a motion graphic video that contains occupational health and safety information in PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia to all new employees. Fourth, animation video of tutorial new employee training is a motion graphic video for new employee training in PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia. Fifth, information system of new employee training is a web-based information system that gives information about training to new employees in PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia. Sixth, automation for wire selection is a system intended to minimize failure on using material. The ceremony of project completion and product delivery to PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia invites President Director Mr. Michi Masanoro and is followed by the line of officers. The other 2 products are: First, Recruitment Information System is a web-based information system that provides information and services regarding the recruitment of employees in PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia. The last, Container Loading System is developing a software solution to monitoring the status and position of containers in container yard, distribution, and warehouse, and also helps logistic and operation efficiency. Poly Batam and PT Sumitomo Wiring Systems Batam, Indonesia are committed to continue to work together in creating innovations that can have an impact on the industrial world.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this VUCA era, every company must continue to improve the effectiveness efficiency and productivity of work for sustainability and business continuity. One of them is by utilizing technology at work. Our company is very grateful for the PBL product as a result of the collaboration between PT Sumitomo Wiring System Batam, Indonesia and Batam State Polytechnic. Related to our section, Training Center, which there are for PBL products that have been completed. The project consists of 1. Information system for employee training record. 2. Video training for auto cutting crimping process. 3. Video training for middle stripping process. And 4. Augmented reality for part of wiring harness assembly training. We are very great and grateful because the employee training process, which had been carried out in the old and manual way, has turned into training that is more effective, efficient, easier to understand, attractive and interesting. Hopefully, in the future, this good cooperation can be continue to improve and provide maximum benefits for both parties, both the industry and the academic. Good luck for students. Keep and innovating, continue learning. This country is waiting your innovation in order to reach the golden Indonesian 2045. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Safety first. My name is Marno, General Manager of Administration. First of all, we would like to appreciate and thank the PBL team from Batam State Polytechnic for completing the Health Safety Environment video training. We are very glad and grateful because the training process can be more effective, efficient, easier to understand, attractive and interesting. Hopefully, in the future, the good cooperation will be continue to improve and provide best benefit for both parties, whether the industry and the academic. Thank you very much. Keep innovating, connect with the best.
Hello, I'm Purnawati. I'm Assistant General Manager of Production Planning. I would like to say thank you to PBL Team Polytechnic Batam. We are very grateful that one of PBL product that we call container loading system has been finished and start in implementation in our company. So far, after we using the system, we can control the container export and import is more better than before, and we can reduce some expense of abnormal costs. See you in the next project.
Good afternoon. My name is Suarto Patmo Sugarto. I'm a General Manager from Engineering Department PT Sumitomo Wiring System Batam, Indonesia. I will say thank you to Polytechnic Negeri Batam that we already have PBL project, and in my department from Polytechnic Negeri Batam make one project is wire lifting, and this project even not 100% complete, but we already try and use for production. Anyway, need improve and continue to improve because actually our machine every year have a upgrade or level up system and everything. And if we want to continue this project, I think we need totally 82 unit wire lifter. Currently we only have one unit from Polytechnic Negeri Batam, and from this one unit already improved by our team internal in SBI. And if continue in the future, please support, follow as our improvement. And for the result, actually we can saving manpower and for safety also, because we no need hold by manual man. So by wire lifter we can reduce or abolish this method manual. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Eddie. I'm General Manager Manufacturing, and my member Widi Yastono and Asmuin. Thank you very much for project-based learning team from Batam State Polytechnic for completing the automation for wire selection box. So far, there was any mistake for using the wire. In one sub-AC, there is several types of wire, so that's why possibility mistake using a wire. So impact for wrong use wire will be impact for screening cost hikers. So that's why we need to improve it. We are very grateful because the automation for wire selection box sub-AC process can be more effective and efficient. Those equipped with this technology is really helpful because can eliminate wrong use wire. So the operator can do their tasks better and more efficient. We hope this PBL activity can continue, and we are waiting for the next project. Thank you, Poltech.